Alright guys, today got my first product review for the S14. So other than the motor that just came in, which I can't really do a full review on the company or anything like that yet, I do have a package over here from Collins Performance Technologies. So got a sturdy desk today because that's heavy. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box. We have a bell housing adapter. We have engine mounts, transmission mount. We have a clutch, flywheel, pressure plate, and let me think if there's anything else. That's pretty much just about it. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up and show you the goods. First off, packaging, great. They tape the entire box. A lot of times when you ship heavier things inside boxes that are not taped up properly, it busts through the box. This box withstood pretty well. And this is not a light box at all. I don't really see if we can get the weight off of it. Yeah, no weight lifting on the top of it. We can figure that out later. These out. Let's take you in the box with me. So let's see what's in this box. Now, I might not be running this clutch for too long. Really wanted to get something to start off with. I'm trying to get just a little over 500 horsepower from the start, and then we'll start bumping it up to the 6 and maybe even close to the 7 mark. So here we go. Right here is gonna be the flywheel. Of course, I said it before, but this is the kit to put that 2J inside of that car with the Cd009. So, flywheel looks good. It's good so far. I like it. In this package, we're gonna have, let's see. Some mountain bolts. We got a clutch line with a 90-degree turn on it. So this is going to be the Collins actual adapter. So what I'm doing is, let me bring you over here for a second. Let's say this seam well wasn't here, like this seam where it's bolted up wasn't here, and it's a Cd009, of course. There's some ribs on it. You follow the second rib in, you cut it off. On the inside of the transmission, you take off a series of bolts. You bolt this thing through these holes, into the transmission, and then these outside holes, this bell housing is going to attach to. So there's going to be a little gap in between the bell housing, just a tiny little gap. It's probably like a way to like seal it up or something like that. We'll go into that later. But so that bell housing is going on my transmission. So it looks good. Some machined nicely. You have your mountain bolts. There you have it. They're using ACT clutches now. I don't know if the guy had the same kit I did, but there was a guy complaining that there was like a just a really cheap eBay brand clutch, and his was a 6-puck also. This is the stage 4. I didn't go with the stage 5 or the stage 6. This one should be able to handle 675 foot-pounds of torque. So I didn't really see any need to go any more right now. It was a heck of a lot cheaper to go this route than the dual clutch version. I'm not going to say that the other way is not good. It's just for me right now, this seems ample. So looks good. So here's gonna go my solid mounts. That's gonna be interesting. Never ran solid mounts before. This looks like it's gonna be my 2 engine mounts, but I'm a little unsure. I'm pretty sure it's the 2 engine mounts with it. And then here, this is my actual transmission mount. Mosquito tried to eat me. And here is going to be my clutch slave cylinder. So it slips on into the transmission on the yoke or whatnot, and then it goes through the bell housing. So this is going to be the clutch slave cylinder. So it looks like everything's in there. One more box should be my pressure plate. Set that somewhere safe. By the way, guys, I want to tell you something about this. Do not go compressing it dry. It's actually supposedly bad for it. When I was putting in my brother's yesterday, they say do not compress it. So set that aside. And last but definitely not least, oh, wrong way. JZ Stage 4 ACT pressure plate. So you know what, we're not even, is it taped in? Let me use both hands. That's all top. So far so good. I like all the products. They came packaged extremely well. I like the fact that they use a lot of tape so things didn't just pop open and fall apart. Yeah, everything seems pretty quality too. So we'll see how everything lines up. Hopefully I can get that together probably here in the next few days, and then start working on the other accessories around the motor. So there goes your unboxing and you know, just a beginning product review. I will, after I get driving the car, let y'all know exactly how I like the actual clutch, if it holds properly and stuff like that. So stay tuned, please subscribe, like, leave a comment if you need anything. I reply back to all my comments usually, unless I don't see them. Sometimes there's someone like an older video and I miss it for a little while, but I usually try to go back through like my email and search and make sure that I'm answering all of y'all's questions. So if you need anything, just ask in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.